Parent Squad! We have one of the most amazing people in the whole school today. We have Miss CORPREW, and she's going to tell us all about sports and how it can help your kids.
Okay, and not just sports, but I want to say student activities. We know that students involved in high school and middle school are likely to be more successful in life because we are teaching core values. And here at Bayside, our core values are respect, responsibility, and resilience. We know that every single day in our work life that
you're going to need a bigger boat.
we're going to have bosses that we don't always agree with, that we have timelines that we have to meet, that we have duties that we don't want to do, that we get volunteered to do. And being involved in an activity, we are teaching you how to better handle hard things. So that's the importance of being involved in high school athletics and activities. So we always say it's a great day to be a Marlin, and we want you to be involved as a Marlin.